How to unhide tag posts on Instagram. Now let's go to our profile icon right here and let's go to this tag option on our profile. If we look at it, you will be able to see that I am tagged on various posts. Let's say right here. All we have to do is to remember the person and that tagged us on a post on Instagram. So in order for us to hide the tag post on Instagram, all we have to do is to click on these three dots right here and then click on tag option. Now, you just have to hide this from your profile. You just have to click on that. And when you go back to your profile right here, it is automatically hidden from your profile and you are no longer tagged on the post. However, if you want to unhide the tag post on Instagram, all you have to do is to go to your search button right here and type in the username of that person on your search bar right here. And then as you go back, you will be able to see the post that they have tagged you on. All you have to do is to click on that and click on these three dots right here. And then click on tag option again and click on show in my profile. So if you go back to your profile right here, it will automatically be in your profile. So that's how to unhide tag posts on Instagram.